Much awaited cryptocurrency bill listed for the winter session of Parliament. Clampdown on all private cryptocurrencies imminent. Proposed bill to set a framework for RBI to create an official digital currency. Bitcoin, Dogecoin fall as much as 20% after news of bill listing. Maze around future of cryptocurrencies in India has been present for a long time. The RBI opposes it. Government tries to take a middle path, mindful of the fact that investor interest needs to be top priority. Lack of regulation may heap misery on those caught by the lure of high returns. Use of the term private cryptocurrencies by the government remains unclear. It could hint at virtual currencies not issued by the government. A finance ministry report in 2019 stated that cryptocurrencies are private enterprises, calls it inconsistent with the essential functions of a currency. Crypto exchanges are still maintaining a positive stance, urging investors to remain calm and avoid hasty decisions. Believe panic is premature. Hope to build on discussions held with government and regulators in the past few months. But financial world luminaries have a completely contrarian view about cryptocurrencies. Crypto has never been able to endear itself to votaries of fiat currency. Vehement opposition by central banks is a testimony to it, the latest being the former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan. Former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan says that most of the cryptocurrencies will soon perish, claims that cryptocurrencies may pose the same problems as chit funds. Used to grappling with uncertainty, crypto investors should now avoid punting too much on the virtual currency. It will take some time for clarity to emerge. Till then, it is wise to wait on the sidelines.